So how's it going? I went and anchored over by the Skyway last night. Tonight I wanted to go check out over by Fort DeSoto, but got caught in the Bunsen's Pass. I couldn't get through. I couldn't figure out like my chart versus what's going on. I tried to do Google Maps. It just was not good. So I hit ground twice, had to get myself off. That was fun, using the jib. And right now I'm just going to go back in the intercoastal and find a place to anchor. So you can see it's a beautiful day out. Super sweet. Lots of dolphin today. But yeah, that's what my Tuesday looks like. Don't work too hard.